Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, you are most welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious and yummy-licious apple pie. But before we get started, let me introduce you to the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, I'll be adding in my flour, baking powder, salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to whisk all the dry ingredients until well combined. Then add in 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 500 grams of butter, evaporated milk. Mix until it is well combined. At this point, I'm going to be using my clean hands to mix until the dough is completely formed. Once I achieve that, I will wrap it into a plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for about 20 minutes. For the filling, I will be needing 4 apples, cinnamon stick, applesauce. I'll be going off camera to prep my apples. Here is the apple. I'm done cutting and washing it. I will transfer it into a clean pot. I will be adding in my cinnamon stick. If you don't have the cinnamon stick, you can make use of the powder so the two can serve. And add in little water. Cover and let it cook. Once that is done cooking, you will notice that the apple is now soft and remain just little water. I'm going to be adding in the apple sauce. Give it a stir, then add in 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetener. Then give it a complete stir. Cover and let it cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, it is done. Give it a complete stir and set aside. Once that gets cold, it will be thick. My apple sauce has cooled down. Do you see how thick it turns out? Next, I will sprinkle some flour on my work surface. Take one of the dough and knead it. Then roll it out flat. Then transfer it to my meat pie cutter and add in my apple sauce. Then seal it up. Transfer it to my baking pan. So I will be repeating this process with the rest of the dough. I went ahead and rubbed the egg wash on top of the dough. Once that is done, I will transfer it into the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until slightly golden brown. 20 minutes later, it is ready and can be served with any chilled drink of your choice. Mostly enjoy when you place them in the fridge. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to know when new videos is being uploaded. Remain blessed. Bye.